Hi everybody, so welcome back to my channel. I hope korang enjoy this kind of makeup tutorial and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Rahim. Bye, Assalamualaikum. Okay, so first I nak pakai this face spray. This spray is it's a makeup setting spray. It's matte finish. Kita goncang dulu. It will set and extend makeup wear all day. So makeup you akan tahan sepanjang hari. Baru dia
boleh kurang sikit.
Terus macam mana pakai is Nihon. Okay, I memang moisturize I punya muka with face brightening. This one is Nihon. You don't nampak I selalu pakai. Kalau you nak keluar rumah, nak keluar cepat, you just pakai Nihon face brightening ni, and then you just letak lipstick dekat pipi you, dah. Dia macam takkan buat muka you nampak dull. Faham tak? Walaupun you nak keluar, tak nak pakai makeup. Sekarang I nak pakai this foundation. I baru beli semalam. I beli dekat Watsons. So, I tak tahu colour dia okay tak dengan I. Sebab tak ada tester. It's mattifying. One thing pasal I kulit kering. Tapi I suka juga pakai foundation yang mattifying. Sebab bila I pakai something yang matte, I suka the benefit that I don't have to set it with powder. I boleh nak pakai macam press powder ke boleh je. Tapi I tak payah nak kena bake sangat. You faham tak? It's, I don't know. I like that. Tapi in this video, kita kena bake lah kan. I nak buat eyeshadow yang extra sikit. Okay, ini 35ml. You dapat banyak produk lah ni. 35. The tube itself pun besar. Worth it lah sebab dapat banyak produk. Tapi kita nak try dulu whether the best ke tak. Kod dia 105.5 gold sand. And yes, dia ada SPF 16.
Suppose dia letak extra sikit.
Let's cuba. Tu dia. Wow.
Fascinating. Okay, so that's the foundation.
Macam tu.
Oh my god.
I beli this foundation. I tak tahu, I tak test pun colour dia. I just tengok dekat bawah lampu putih je. I macam carilah dekat semua section tu mana LED putih. Masa I test the colour, tengok dekat bawah lampu, I macam okay, you know what, this is yellow. Ni macam kena je dengan kulit. So, and it kena. I mean, it's not bad, right? I like this colour. Actually dah consider cerah dah sebenarnya untuk colour kulit I. Dia senang nak blend. Dia tak akan rasa macam susahnya nak blend. Sebab I perasan this foundation dia macam cair sikit. I tak boleh nak kata dia full coverage. Okay, but the coverage is there. Cuma macam kalau you pakai banyak, okay lah. Dah kira dah boleh cover lah juga kan. Kalau nak pakai everyday ke, nak pergi kelas ke, nak pergi kerja ke, this is actually one of a good foundation yang you boleh bawa because dekat dalam tube. So macam very easy for you to bring anywhere you want. The price of this foundation is RM64.90. I check ada RM10 off. So jadi RM54. Ni I beli di tengah sale sebenarnya. Dia RM10 off. So it's a good deal lah of course. Sebab dia 35ml foundation. I think I suka foundation ni. Okay, so let's move to concealer. So the next concealer ni I tak pernah pakai. This is my first time. It's the Wet n Wild concealer. A photo focus concealer corrector. Mana satu? Corrector concealer. Okay, never mind. So harga dia RM23. Lepas tu I nak mix dengan 306 Nude Beige Loreal Infallible. Like dekat certain area. Okay, honestly concealer Wet n Wild ni dia light concealer. Okay, dia tak heavy. It's not really a full coverage. I nak buat nose contouring as usual. As usual, I nak buat nose contouring. I punya favourite contour powder, Rimmel. I banyak gila pakai contouring ni because dia punya undertone best. Okay, so kita dah siap dengan eyebrow. I blend dulu bawah mata I. sebelum I letak the loose powder. The blush yang I beli is from Revlon. Yang ni code dia Kiss Me Coral. Revlon. I just nak letak dekat pipi I. Tapi dalam kamera macam di manakah macam tu. Macam where are you? Why are you not showing? Sebenarnya dah nampak dah ni dekat cermin ni. Ni bukan palette baru, okay? I tak pernah pakai palette ni, guys. So Arfa pernah pakai palette ni sebab dia yang suka test Mami punya palette. I nak pakai yang grey ni. These two colours I can mix. The colour, nama dia ground. So you want a ground. Oh, yang ni. And I letak dekat mata I. I suka this one. I rasa I nak ambil yang ni. Oh, this one, this colour. So I letak dia dekat depan. Lana Cosmetics Nude pencil. Dia untuk bawah mata you. Okay, so you letak dia dekat dalam mata, kat bawah mata. So I nak pakai ni, tak dalam mata I. I'm going to take another colour, but it's from a different palette. This one is from Tart. Tadi dia beri Decay. I akan pakai this colour. I'm going to take this colour kat corner, kat sini. Gelapkan lagi sikit the eyeshadow. So I letak dekat bawah mata I sikit. Yang warna hitam tadi tu, just to cantikkan bawah mata. Cantikkan. Little bit of eyeliner juga. Is this okay? Ni colour ni pekan into it punya. I ambil warna hitam. Like that. Next is I nak letak this Tart yang warna grey ni. Macam foil eyeshadow, okay? Dia very liquidy. Gitu, okay. Okay, so I will off camera and do another side of the eye.
It's obvious that my eyes sebelah sepit, tapi kalau look macam ni akan lagi nampak. But whatever, you know, I'm not gonna think about it. This is who I am. Memang mata I sebelah sepit, so you can terima benda tu.
So I just blend the powder dekat bawah mata I yang I pakai tadi. The Anas punya highlight. Yang ni Sunkissed. I pernah pakai sebelum ni and I like it. I suka sebab dia very shining tu. Ni brand Sephora je I pakai yang warna hitam ni. Dia bukan waterproof, but it's very volumized. Ayo. Untuk I punya bibir, I nak pakai lip liner daripada Inglot. So this is the Inglot lip liner. Code dia 67. Dia tak cukup kurus. Okay guys, it's chubby right now. So let's do something about it. I ambil the contouring powder from Rimmel tadi. Kita kena contour sikit lah. Tak nak bagi nampak ni. Tepu fats. Lemak tepu. cover sikit lah. Terus nampak macam yes. Kalau tak ada contouring, ayo sedih. Kena I kena contouring ambil dahi lah. Dahi I nampak pelik. Sebab dahi I so dahi I luas. So kena kecilkan sikit lah. Okay, dekat bawah ni. Okay, so for the highlight I nak pakai Becca. Oh my god. Ayo, look at this. So, I nak pakai dia. Okay, I ambil brush. I just ambil yang apa yang ada dekat cermin tu je. Champagne Pop ni best gila highlight dia, okay? It's the bomb.
I ada berangan nak tengok kat sini. Very nampak cermin tu dah pecah. Okay.
I tak pakai lipstick lagi. I baru line I punya bibir tadi. Pakai macam tu. I nak share dengan you. I nak mix 2 lipstick hari ni, okay? Because semalam I beli 3. So these 2 lipstick I nak pakai is from Wet n Wild yang ada lips dekat sini. 1403E. Bare It All. Okay. Dia matte lipstick, so dia memang second I nak pakai is this one. This one is the Loreal Macarons. The formula okay sebab dia tak tebal. But the reason yang I macam a bit turn off is because of the formula. Dia tak stay on my lips. I don't know, I je ke ataupun orang lain facing the same thing. Dia cantik sangat. It's a perfect nude colour tapi dia punya formula tak nak lekat dekat mulut I. Bila I macam cakap-cakap nanti dia jadi macam nak tertanggal. Kenapa Ya, 836 Infinite Vanilla. Memang dia punya bau best, but the formula I think should be, diorang kena improve. But the colour, oh my god, I love this colour. I'm so in love with this lipstick colour. Nak letak silver glitter. I beli dekat Shopee. Kat bahagian mata ni, I'm gonna put 1, 2. Cik sangat ni nampak. Yes, right there. Yup, tak lekat. Okay, lekat dah. Yang ni kod dia 1440E. This one is the Bobbi Brown Lip Oil in Infused Gloss. The oil akan treat I punya lip at the same time. So last I nak spray lagi sekali. This one is from Maybelline. So this is the finished look.